Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. Today we're going to be making some quick ornaments. Just a few ornaments that'll help decorate those trees. I started out with a Dollar Tree truck ornament, and then I also used some of these garland ties. These are both found at the Dollar Tree. I just simply twisted this in a circle, twisted the wire together, and it just makes a little miniature wreath. And then I just pulled off this truck, and it has a little hanger on it so that you could use it as an ornament on its own, but I took off the wire. And it looks real plasticky, so I just took my Posca acrylic paint markers and I'm just giving it a good cover. Let that dry a little bit, and then I just took my black paint pens on the wheels. Now you could use your own acrylic paints. They don't have to be paint pens. I just like the control. My black one is the smaller ones. I think those are Artisto, and I got these both on Amazon. I do like them. And then I also will use a white one to add a little bit of snow once these dry. I'm just going to give my wreath a little bit of a haircut, or kind of like a lawnmower or weeding, however you want to describe it, but it just makes it look a little bit more real than this really furry wreath. And now I just took a couple of berries from a pick from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just putting them on each side to give it just a little bit of a holly feel to it. You can definitely add as many or as few as you want, but I think it makes it look more like a wreath just adding a couple of berries. And as I say, waste not, want not, I just took the wire from the truck and I'm going to make it my hanger for the wreath. And I just took a little bit of gray to make the bumper and the hubcaps. And here's where I do the white for the snow. And you will see I need to wipe off my marker a little bit here and there because it does start to get to the red in there because I was a little impatient. You do also see that there's two trucks here. I decided I wanted to get two of them done so that I could make a couple of gifts, and then I continued on with my favorite one here. And then I just made a simple little bow, and I will put that at the top. And a little bit of hot glue for the bow, and then on the truck. And it's a very simple little ornament. And here is our finished product. I think it turned out really cute. Next, I'm just going to make these frosted ornaments. So I took the clear 2-pack of ornaments that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I used some of my frosted glass spray. And then I just sprinkled some Epsom salt over it. Now, you could definitely use Mod Podge over to adhere the Epsom salt as well. So this was just an easy way to do it. I wanted it to kind of look like ice under there. And so this was just an easy way to do it. And then you can embellish it any way you'd like. And there they both are. Aren't those cute? You could definitely make these your own and have them fit your theme. Okay, next I got creative. I used some of my saran wrap press and seal and cut it in a circle, and I stuck it on here. And then I used my frosted glass. And then I poured some Epsom salt in here. Now, I apologize. I'm going to lose the footage here in just a second of me putting the tree in there. All I did was put a dot of glue, of hot glue, on the bottom of the tree, and I pushed it through, and it set right in there. I did take a pencil to just make sure and push it down, but there it is. Another really simple ornament. Thank you so much for watching these quick ornaments. And again, I hope you do subscribe and enjoy. Have a wonderful day.